Coke, Amazon, Netflix, Apple. Amazon, Lamborghini, Apple, Alibaba, eBay, Netflix, Blue. Do you know what these companies have in common? Apart from being multi-billion-dollar companies? Land on their pages and you won't need to spend a lot of time finding out what they do. That's because they've realized that strong designs are the most important thing in building a sustainable brand for generations to come. Big businesses invest millions of dollars every year in good graphic designs because they understand the secret to capture their visitors' imagination and put their product right at the center of it. And using great visuals isn't a genius idea for whoever first came up with it. Fact is, it's pure common sense, and it's been around since ages. Visual component is everything. I've listed out some statistics on this page that you'll see when you scroll down. Every study has reported that good designs and graphics have an enormous effect on the kind of sales you can expect on your offers. So far, there are two ways businesses get their graphic designs. One, hiring full-time designers or freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. This is what breaks the bank for them. Some even try to get a monthly subscription to complicated tools like Photoshop and try to self-learn creating graphics watching YouTube videos. You see, it's not just the cost. In the time you wasted waiting for these designs, you've lost many opportunities to cash in. Imagine losing a contract worth thousands just because your design didn't arrive on time. But it gets worse, because that one lost client can cost you hundreds of thousands over its lifetime. It's a stark choice. You gotta either hook them in fast with immediate, bold, exciting visuals or lose them forever. But all isn't lost. Imagine this. What if you could fire your designer and get your hands on all the visuals you could ever need immediately? What if you could have all your content designed for you automatically using the best AI technology without technical or design skills? What if you could have the world's best imagery, stock photos, and templates right at your fingertips in the cloud, all in editable format, ready to be used either for your needs or your clients? Higher quality images get more exposure, more clicks, and better conversion rates. But that's not everything, because in these turbulent times of lockdown and financial austerity, there has never been a better time to branch out on your own as a freelancer on one of the large marketplaces such as Fiverr. People are making a full-time income and more by selling high-quality graphic-related gigs on Fiverr. Take a look at Cindy and Josh from Allo, who sold $79,888.53 worth of graphics and visual images while traveling the world. Or Beth from Handcraft Films, who earns 6 figures selling stock photos online. You can see some of her sales below. What if you can get these kind of graphics and more for a low one-time cost? Sounds like a dream? It doesn't have to be. Introducing ProfitPixar. With ProfitPixar, I have set out to bring $1 million design capability to the newbie, small business owner, and internet marketer. You get to access 40 new design templates monthly for a full whole year without paying a dime. This is something I've been working on for many months at a very large investment to myself. Here's what's included. 40+ stunning designs in 50 niches for 1 year without any recurring fee. 200+ design templates. With ProfitPixar, you get access to 250+ ready-made premium design templates across different niches. Use these templates for any of your work or even charge your clients for these designs at your own prices. Resize designs at any size. Resizing your designs has never been so easy with the click of a single button. Now you can resize any template into any size or format, such as a Facebook post, covers, Twitter, Instagram posts, banners, ebook covers, etc. 10+ million stock photos. You can have access to millions of stock photos in our editor across any niche or category. The best thing about these stock photos is that they're copyright-free, which means you can use them on your personal and commercial projects. 1+ million icons. Get access to 1 million+ premium and high-resolution icons. You don't need to search for multiple libraries, worry about usage rights, or pay for these icons anymore. In-depth editing tools. ProfitPixar comes loaded with all editing tools such as formatting, alignment, image filters and effects, and front manipulation. This way you can create whatever you've imagined in seconds with no design experience required. Multiple download options. Once your designs are ready, you can download them in multiple formats such as transparent PNG, JPEG, and PNG. These designs can now be used for any purpose you like without any restrictions. Over 1,000 plus fonts. Regular template updates. All our designers are working round the clock and providing the best experience for our users. In addition to the 200 plus design templates, we'll constantly add 30 plus fresh designs related to each category so that you have a constant flow of templates to choose from. Infographics, gift certificates, Facebook covers, Twitter covers, LinkedIn covers, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, Pinterest posts, Google Plus posts, Instagram posts, business cards, Kindle/ebook covers, YouTube channel art, Twitter headers, fully editable images, one-time fee for the entire estate. ProfitPixar works in 3 no-sweat steps. Step 1. Select a template or an empty canvas. There are over 250 design templates to choose from. These templates are created by a team of highly creative designers. Basically, these are the guys who can manage to make all the 3 above-mentioned networks in the brain work together somehow. I wish I could share their brain MRIs here, but that information is confidential and classified. You can even choose an empty canvas and create something on your own. But the good news is, our artificial intelligence ensures you don't need to be crazy or have 3 different brain networks to work simultaneously for you to create stunning graphic designs. Step 2. Type in the keyword and edit the template. Just type in the keywords related to your product, market, or niche, and the system will generate thousands of icons from our built-in library of 10 million stock images to choose from. Edit the chosen image, add to any of our templates, and watch in real time to create the perfect design that you have in mind. Step 3. Save, download, and print your designs. Now just hit a button and save, download, and/or print your designs without any additional fee in different formats. You can even share your designs with your team with just a click of a button by adding them on the projects on the same platform. This is something never seen before on any other platform. ProfitPixar instantly captivates and grows audiences like never before with unique, high-quality visuals. Listen, don't pay another cent on stock images and graphics. ProfitPixar makes this important creative process immediate and affordable to everyone. This is your one opportunity to get in on the action fast. Think about this. Influencers, bloggers, celebrities, and smart marketers are posting content every second of the day. It's overwhelming. How can you possibly compete? Finding, creating, and posting amazing content that your audience wants is time-consuming and expensive. But wait, you don't think they create all this content themselves, do you? Of course not. They have help. Expensive help. That's where ProfitPixar comes in. It's like your own creative design agency that has the ability to deliver high-quality work at a moment's notice, meaning that you can immediately jump on multiple opportunities and cash in. I'm sure you're absolutely blown away with the power of ProfitPixar. You're not alone. These seasoned marketers felt the same way when they got access to this app. Here's what some of them had to say once they used ProfitPixar. Here's what our customers had to say. Not only do good designs save you money, they also make you loads of money. Not just experienced marketers, ProfitPixar has a fast-growing tribe of customers who absolutely love using it to create original designs that last, that are relevant to their products without the fear of copyright issues, without any technical skills, without any designing and coding skills, heck, without any long learning curve. I invite you to join these happy customers and take full control of how your business looks, giving it a much-needed personal touch. No one knows your business better than you. Your small investment is backed by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Try ProfitPixar, and if you aren't absolutely blown away with what you can do with it, feel free to reach out to us within 30 days and get your money back right away. Now, scroll down below to check out ProfitPixar in detail. I'm excited to see you in the members area.